Mhm. Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Good afternoon. Give me my that speaker there, please. Hello, guys. Okay. Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. Good night. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. Hello, how you all doing? Beautiful afternoon. Are you looking at your time? Good afternoon. Please, I will need a glass of water. It's here. I need one more water. Good afternoon, good evening, good night. Please, if you are joining, share the video, support your girl. Support your girl, please. I need your support. I need your support. Today, no makeup. Oh. Today, I'll dey show na my makeup wey I dey use. If you like my makeup, you like, I know say my leg is not perfect, but my foundation, everything, I'll be showing you guys today. Meanwhile, we'll talk about how to know a good wife. For the men, not be shentro me I dey talk o. Responsible men, responsible husband. How to know a good wife, I'm going to tell you today. Because of Carol wife, Carol White baby mama we born one pikin for her. He get belle for the second one. Now make me want to talk am how to know a good wife. You understand? And because of Vera the Bontrowe, the woman wey do asiewo for Libya 20 cents. Somebody called me yesterday, sister, why you talk say na 50 cents? 50 cents too big now. He say Vera na 20 cents 90 do ashawo for Libya. Vera wey they drink Mesis water. Vera wey they drink peace for road. Now you where you enter flight come from Nigeria, come Europe. Now you come they talk to Vera wey they drink water, drink peace water with blood inside. He say, my sister, me, I follow Libya. I love you. I like you. That made me they tell you. Know they reply Vera again. I know what I go through when I pass through Libya. I enter here. So because of that one, I not come to fool myself. I not come to find trouble. Because this matter with Degram say not concern Vera. This matter with Degram say not concern Vera. He not supposed to they carry another person matter. He say, my sister, I not lie you. Now through Libya, now I pass come. Through Libya, I drink peace. Peace with blood day. I drink and now way to survive. He say I no go come enter the Euro finish today. Now come they carry another person matter put for my head like Vera. I no go fit try am. He say they vex for Vera. He say I dey vex for Vera. He say whether fella family no they see Vera say wetin Vera they do so not good. You know why? Vera is a bad woman to the baby father. He deceived the baby father. The pikin wey no, he say he get 2 children for Nigeria. Meanwhile, na 5 children. So the baby father now not be fault. So my lady, now you are the reply. Not be fault. Now that one now you say no, say na bad woman. Now the man they talk to. You meet woman before he start to dey born for you, not tell you truth. I be abandon and die children because he not go tell you truth. Now so you still come catch another man they sleep with her. He go still deny for you. Because to know a good woman, they tell the men, wait till he tell you where you know her for the first day. Now you go be, see you now go all together. I prefer to tell my man everything about me, whether ugly pass, whether good pass, anything. I prefer to tell my man than say my man can't go here and for another place. It's not good. They kill marriage. They kill marriage. And men where they wash me. Mona not marry woman like Vera. Mona not marry woman like Carol White. Carol White, baby mama. Mona not marry. Because I never put money for their head. Mona not marry them because at the end of the day, they go destroy on her life. You know why? Woman wey not they fit tell the husband if your husband they go wrong. They do wetin not they normal. He not fit talk to her. Wetin that they use that kind of woman they do? You understand? No, wetin that they use that kind of woman they do? Make you go sit down. I don't sit down now. Anyone more come and see my phone in my hand? You are out of here. I'll kick you out of here. You understand? So if you never married that kind of woman, I go advise you not marry. Woman wey be say you go marry as a man, even if he born 2,000 children for you. Not marry that kind of woman because it go make your life miserable. Because you go they do something wrong. You go they do something wrong. He not go tell you, he go they clap for you. Even when you get bad friends, wey wan lead you to your early grave. You go still sit down, they look you. Make them open ground, make them put you inside. That kind of woman, you go feel marry her. No, I dey ask you. If you be my brother, or my cousin, or even my enemy, I'm not gonna let you marry that kind of woman. So, now, how to marry, okay, let me remove this idiot, come off for you. So, how to know a very, very, very good woman? I want to talk about me. I remove this idiot, come off for you, this moment. I bet more let me share this video. More let me share my lovers. Esther lovers, please share the video. Why not they show say I dey live now? It's not showing that I'm live. Why? Please share the video. My lovers, you are all welcome. God bless you. Go see the knife for you. Because to know a good man, you will feel marry her. No, I dey ask you. If you be my brother, or my you are blocked out of here. You are not my fans. You are not my fans, so I block you. God punish you, devil. So, devil, you not be my fan, so how about go me and make big fancy now? That it will not be the right phone. Not be here I use. It will not be this phone I be one use. Not be this phone, but I don't use it and I don't get choice. You not be my fans. Zara, David, you are not my fans. You are evil. So, how to know a good woman to marry? Now they tell you now. Vera and Carol White, baby mama, not be good woman. Not be good woman to marry. Oh. If you know say you get woman like Vera, where be say you know her, he deny his own children. His children were born, come out for belle. He can't deny her. He get five boys where everybody go pray to her for their life. Blessing, your first blessing. They say count your blessings and name them one by one, my people. Vera get 5 boys, 5 blessed children, gift from God. Vera deny say he get only 2 boys for Africa. The boy, Vera can't do a shower 20 cents for Libya. Take carry that boy into Europe. Vera talk her for live video where Vera do. Vera say, he say him brother, he say his sister where they abroad, not send her €1 where they Libya. Nobody help her the time where they Libya. Say she suffer, she get shower, he say a shower ni ye na he do. He do a shower ni ye for Libya 20 cents. Can you imagine? Person can't gather 20 cents for Libya. Take carry himself cross, come see carry baby father. He see carry cross come Germany. His children they hungry for Nigeria. Wan ya give ye wa. Oh, wan ye can't give ye Vera wa in Nigeria. Is that why a good mother? If it is me now, when I even take the Libya, now go they send money, go they give my children for Nigeria. But Vera never did. If you are a man, you find that say that kind of woman. Mona share this video, go give Vera baby father. You know in Facebook, Mona go tag her, make consider because even if because I hear say they say Vera they only prick, they drag her every time for live video, say you go kill me or you give me all my money where I don't spend for your head. They say na so Vera they joy, they beat her for live video, they shout to her head, and you don't chop my money, you have my money because they carry another woman. Why you not go carry another woman? My brother, for your early age, you don't need woman like Vera. I'm telling you, like me now, I cannot carry anybody while I put for my head. Where Carol White boy, as they insult women since then they pay me, but I don't mind her. Now when he can't talk to me, can't write my name, put for a platform. He can't they insult me for inside WhatsApp, can't they curse me for inside WhatsApp. Now I can't still come out for her. That is my business. He call me now, answer her. It be like as Vera still carry Carol White, boy, and Monica matter put for head. So they lie, even my own husband, my Igwe. Come, Vera, I get 2 children. The 2 children where I get, it might be everywhere, a virgin, no? A virgin. You use a born 5 children for Nigeria. You can use a born 4 for year. That is 8 children. Me and your pekus not be fit be the same. Me and your pekus not fit be the same. Because why? You know why, Vera? You know why, Vera? You don't born 5 children for Nigeria. 5 big heads, you push and come out for your pekus. Now you they come out, come they stay for live video, come they insult other women. They call the name a shower ni yeah. You where you do a shower for Libya without condom. Una wa shower in Libya without condom. Uri gia shower, 2020 cent, 2020 cent. You can't gather around. Now you the day live video. As I went in here, as I went in here, as I went in here. Oh God, Vera. For you to know, say you are very stupid, you not get sense, because a woman will be woman like me, I'm not supposed to call you a shower. You yourself not supposed to call me a shower, but you call me, don't tell you the use and sing. That made me sit there, you say, me I not be a shower like you, because me, the flight I take, now carry me come enter this country. Ima gbashawo wenugwe gbashawo na yo ya loto una take a risk. Wetin you take the risk for? You can't they misuse am. They take sit down for live video. Me I feel sit down for live video as I like, oh, because me I don't fair try for this Europe. You don't say where I come. Not be today I come. Oh. Well, when you get better time, you are on your own. You are on your own, no, because I see they talk to you since then. Now you know the year word. You go sit down for live video. They cost everybody every day. You where you call the year better for year and they never reach 3 years now. Now they go where I did this Facebook now be 2 years plus. I don't do something before I enter here. My first son is going to 16 years. Person way born picking of 16 years for Europe. You don't know how many years I stay before I can't get 16 years picking. You know how many, even if not 10 years, I don't use an achieve what I want to achieve. I even work ballet for hand. I even don't do a lot of things before I can't come here. You can't sit down. Can't they talk to me? My beautiful sister, Mommy King Talk Show. Thank you, big sis. You understand? You can't sit down now. If person can't sit you down now, Vera say, Esther, where you they talk to, not be your mate, oh. Esther, not be your mate. They can't really tell you my life history now. You will go the sleep, against sleepless night. Eh? Vera, put sense for your head, Vera. Start to they call women Ashawo ni ye, Ashawo ni ye, Ashawo ni ye. Normally, I'm not supposed to call you Ashawo, but why you go they call me Ashawo? Me where they my husband house. Me where they enjoy. Me where not first man, baby say he must marry me. Me where not first man say, my money you go they give another woman. He must give your money to another woman because you don't know what you want to use your money do. Your children in Nigeria where you go give your money, you not give them the money. Eh? Vera, you can't see Congo like you say my old husband, my old handsome Igwe, my old husband. You say Congo they toast you, can't they find your picture? Vera, you where you be toilet. You where you be toilet. Not be as you just be so. Not be as you just be so after 10 children. Nothing dead your body again. Now where be that? Where? That make your baby father they run. Yeah, go now. What's it? A 45, a 48. Go quick. You understand? That make your baby father they run for you. Me, my baby father not they run for me. I don't even get baby father. Now husband now again. My husband they love me every day. They love me every day because he might be your mate. Ya do be your mate. Ina enegbe me. Ele left me go still follow me because I dey my waiting consign me. I know they carry another person matter. Eh? I know they carry put for head. Why should work here? We no give every Monica. A Monica no move do ya gboto. Monica have been bringing people down since 2015 on social media. They insult all Edo chief. They insult all Edo women. They bring Edo people down. They spoil people name. Now you can't come out now. Vera come they insult people for person where they bring. Even you, Monica, now your mouth now for fair year. Now Monica mad now for fair your matter. Where Monica come they tell you say Vera, yagba give you where they carry your matter go give her. Vera. So my people, I dey tell you now, men, mona take barrow and paper. Mona share this video. Mona take barrow and paper. The kind of woman we are supposed to marry. Make I tell you now. You know woman, he get children, not get children because it not matter. And I love, if you love the woman, you can go ahead. The kind of woman where you supposed to marry, if the woman you know I get children, can't lie to you say he not get children. Or he can't lie to you, he get 5 children. He can't tell you say na 3, now he get later, he can't say na 2, they cut his children through away. You know say my brother, na danger. Na danger for you. Not marry that kind of woman. Even if he don't quick and born for you, leave her with the children. Not marry that kind of woman. Because that kind of woman, he go put you for trouble. He go put you for problem. Because now the truth where they woman mad, now good may man tell they marry woman. Also woman, now the truth where they man mouth. Now good name woman tell us, okay, this man go marry you because since we I tell know you now true, now you they tell me. I never catch you say you lie before. So because of that one, you feel marry that kind of man. Now that kind of man, I not go still turn you to single mother. Now I go love you. For all those men, where go you just and say, baby, where is this glass color? You go say it's white, you go say it's black. And you know say now watercolor, now be the glass cup. You go they follow you, they argue, and you go say it's white. You go say then after enough argument, enough talk, you go come say it's watercolor. You go come tell you say it's watercolor. Then you go no say you are on your own. No, those kind of women, because any woman way good not they lie for man. You know they lie. So Vera, stay away. The video where you do, you say anywhere you foresee me, you go beat me. If I go still chook am for Vera eye now say why make I play am for now. May not be like saying I dey lie. You say you think say I be Jama lady. Now so you carry Jama lady go cut. Now so you want to do Jama lady. Now so you want to do this one. At the end of the day, you don't leave your matter. They not they wash you again because of everyday Jama lady. Now Esther. You understand? This video now, if I cut her now because I carry her go, you say you go beat me anywhere you foresee me. Don't say Esther, don't sister. Now the year now, Mona listen. I shall lily earlier. I shall one year. Then I'll let that one next a bit talk. See ya. Yesterday you come outside for midnight, begin to fool yourself. I never get time for you. You understand? When you want to get time for me now, talk. Not be you there. Almost. Mona share the video. Mona share her. That's when one kid dog. You know the Vera say want kill me because this thing is not good to tell somebody say work but my Dutchland is against the law. If I go report an a problem, but Mona tell Vera may go take off the orphanage where he gets. Mona tell Vera yesterday na my husband say my husband come dey toast her for inside Instagram, inside telly. I don't know where you say my husband for see. He say my husband say he don't know whether that kind of person they exist. So he say Vera, he said that one he make back benya. Only no one more me 18. No, that dirty pig. Vera, come look me, come with your real face. Me and you now made through the live video. Can we call? Hey, where shall now waiting that they see for live video now? They see what I'll do. Can we call? Another person matter. Since you don't get shame, what they call shame? Vera, what I want shame for? You tell me what I want shame for. Me, I deny my children where I want shame. I go fuck for outside where I want shame. What I do where I want shame. Iya genya da for me and if we are not moving. Abieti yo wa ikyo wa make I not prepare say I want to do this live video. Make I show up my parlor. Mona see the house where I stay. Where be say children dey, not be like where children dey. I be very neat person. People wey know me, they go tell you. Wetin you want talk about me, Vera, wey I want shame for? Nothing. Dey. But now you are the shame for because you don't know why you take risk. Pass Libya, enter Europe. Because if to say you know the reason why you take risk, drink peace for road, almost take your life along the line. You know, come they sit down for social media, come they rant with people who don't spend 20 years, where don't get much chance for Nigeria, where don't achieve. You never get anything. They give you your first Aduro paper, they give you first stars for Germany, they give you Aduro kitchen, put for your kitchen, everything. They show you like, see my house, Esther, see my kitchen, Esther, see my kitchen. The first time so you don't carry. You know how many years so me don't carry since I did this country? You know how many years? You see, you don't get sense, so we're not listening. We don't get shame because if I were you, I don't go even go do video about what I'm talking. We don't tell they talk because shame on you. Because why? You know yeah what she talk. She say if now she be me. Wetin she they talk, they cost me. I for not even they do video if now she be me. Okay, you they spoil my name. You even carry your dirty pig mouth come off from my body. Carry go my husband, I'll leave you. I felt they leave you before you they cost yourself if I they leave you, but I know I'll leave you again. I not go leave you. Now so you still come out your mouth. You still carry go my daughter that day. You say, oh me. Me, I not they take off my daughter. You will come report me. You come now so you buy her. You go bring 2 hair from inside cellophane come outside. Now so you they buy her for your daughter. Now so I not they buy her for that small picking. Like seriously. Now come carry big Ghana must go come outside. Where they pull my daughter hair. Now you shut up. Then yesterday again, you can still come out again. You say my old husband, my igwe, my king. Oh, that for me no enegbe, no croissy, no yave shine. You want to talk? You say my old husband. If you post picture, now my husband fed they see your picture. Go see the comment where people write for them say this Vera don't mad. This Vera don't mad. It don't colo. My old husband. Mona listening to Mumu. That means now you be send your man come make all the monitor me up and down. Monitoring which. Vera, if you not talk to me, people not even call me. I know how many people will don't call me. Will don't send me all the video nonsense what you they do. If you not, me don't know whether person like you they exist. Not only that time where I still beg my followers, my people, may they go subscribe to you, where we super chat you, even donate money, you give your children. Now I know whether you exist rich. Since when they curse people, they insult people for live video. I don't know whether person like you they exist. Because another person matter not concern me. As far as you not call me, you not insult me. You feel they insult me before I leave you, but I not leave you this time again because why? I not get what I do. You me and you not get problem. You know feel they come and they insult me all the time. Make I leave you. I not go feel leave you. You curse me, you pull out from my head. I can't deny. I say not be me. You can't remember with mefty. I not be much. I not the flower. But of years you understand? Are we here saying yet? Of years Vera ready no are you weze because me we ewinugwe wo ma de no ma. Eva ni ruweze onyi wenugwe yanyi. Vera ready no are you weze. Review. You send your man to be monitoring me up and down, whether na you or whether na your man. Since day before yesterday, I tell Esther, tell your man to stay away from Esther. They cry up and down. The thing they pain her for body. Why the thing go they pain you? Like really? If no, be say they really send you baby elephant. Why go they pay you for body? My people, me and Vera, who be like baby elephant? Me and Vera. Who be like baby elephant? Me and you be like baby elephant. Now you be baby elephant. Hey, I'm also. So that one is so hard for you to understand. Because you say you deal with man, you fuck up and down. So the man say you be a shish, you be a shewu. You say I deal with man. And they fuck up and down. Are we complaining? No, you are the one crying for us because you know we are not. I'm not sleeping around. I'm the best woman. I'm so cute. You are crying, I will cry because your baby father, when you dey by force, they born for that one say lie, you not go follow you enter live video, not go follow you take picture, not go. That one not they lie, that one they run for you, that one go soon marry. Come Vera, baby father, I bet if you want to do marriage, no worry, invite me, I go help you organize that, but not marry Vera because you go die before your time. Because na bad woman, now you dey see yes, so you go die before your time. Yeah, not marry Vera. I know say you not go marry Vera because even your papa talker, he say instead of Vera to marry, he say he go kill himself. Say because why Vera like to he pikin. Vera too old for a pikin.
With your smelly kpekus wey they carry up and down. Good morning, my darling. Please share this video.
Yes, Vera, my kpeku is smelling good for my husband. He have a good smell because I use a good odorant. I take off myself very well. Myself is very fine. Myself is very good. I take off myself very well. So I smell good. Then I'll show you the odorant where I use, so that you'll use and make they smell good, okay? Because I know say you they smell, you they wooz, but the way that they do a shower for Libya, I know how they be now, but the way that they put a tissue for inside body to do a shower. So Vera, you need to see doctor because your kpekus have infection like Carol White, baby mama. Your kpekus get infection like Carol White, baby mama. Vera, if you want to smell good, don't worry, I will show you all the odorant I'm using so that you go and get it and be using it. Please guys, share this video. I know you all share this video. I'm not sharing. I know you all share this video. I beg Muna share the video now. I beg. Now that one I just tell you na make una can't do. Abi? Only you come one wado. Oh, that female no working class. Oh, that female no ga. Oh, that female no money. Even a batter. When I know my husband, a lady offer me money to leave my husband for her. I tell the lady that you are on your own. Now this one I want. If not Facebook, Vera na you might be. God bless you all, mom. If not be Facebook, Vera na you might be. Kewe kohoho. Kewe kohoho. Kanima ke ya fefefe. All of the yok on the talk. Facebook. Amarine. Kewe kohoho. I've shared. Thank you, Omo. Thank you for sharing. Favor, Daniel. Thank you. Please, Esther Lover, share the video. Share. Share, guys. Share the video. 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 So, it doesn't not be Facebook. You say if you see me, you go beat me. Thank God say we the area together. Maybe they feel invite me for Dortmund or anywhere. I see you. Come near me. So far, me your business now you fair knock me. Come near me. Now your children are pitiful. Come near me. You say you want beat me.
You guys, with your smelly kpekus when they carry.
Vera,
I'm not being.
hey.
Baby elephant. You need to mind your business. Tell your man to leave me alone. That's it.
See this mumu. If I come through my daughter home, now I do video tell her say, Vera, shut up, don't talk to my children. Leave my children out of your rubbish saga. You leave that one. No, my husband go carry now. Now me carry since then take the shadow. Vera, go and do what is important. Faith Omo, thank you so much. Go and do what is important, Vera.
We don't get with it with a drag. We don't have what we are dragging. No.
Vera, you are too small. Now me be my mama last born. You are too small. Slippers where I take the march grand. Vera, you can't imitate with slippers where I take march grand. Vera, you are too small. We can if we Monica we munya only. Iwe Monica anything vagbona. Iwa e slipa me ya briloto o mase Monica iso eve miya vagbona me ma yige boya kokigi me ma yige boya mi anything is you were na iso fai ma wina ye a life in ma me ba owa me. Okay, Vera, I don't blame you. Not blame me we.
Just tell your man to stay away from me, to be monitoring me. So look in the picture I put.
Vera, my own man. Hey. Vera, my man say he body not go stand for where you dey. He say woman wey you get 8 children. Even the 8 children, you know it be for brain. 8 children be 9 children. Vera, hey God, Facebook. Wetin dey that body again? That one na where na? Let me tell your baby father. All your money wey they give you as a single mother for year, e dey shop all of them. Vera, that boy never ever follow you enter live video one day. He know they follow you do anything. Now just when you dey inside the car, whether na even they drive the car, I don't know. You go they show fear not go. You don't go fear video the boy join your video. Try am. Vera, do it tomorrow. Just do it tomorrow. Do it. The boy not get wetin they use you do, Vera. He not get wetin they use you do. And wetin that they call you pray. If you try am, whether not pray be the boy, I don't know. I say na Desmond, I don't forget the boy name that time. You understand? If you try and you don't dig your grave by yourself, who were Kyoto? You don't dig your grave, your early grave. Now you dig.
He don't come again.
He say he still talking. He say he still talking. Say he not come again. He say he still talking. Say he not come again.
They find for waiting this woman. When this woman will post picture for so waiting they find go there all the time. So that one come too much for baby elephant to understand. That one come too much for baby elephant to say okay, he here. You are not crying.
Vera, you see your comment, the video where you do, where you put for Aproko, because people they see everything where everybody they post for social media. They see what people they do. Man way be a shower they go know. Man way be a shower in the area according to you they go know. For me, I know say that your useless baby father way not get sense, way stupid. Small picky way they go carry woman in mama mates, they go born with in mama mates. Can you imagine small picky of 20-something years go they born with Vera way get 5 children? That boy, you know say na stupid boy now. He not get home training. Vera, your baby father not get home training. He's a very stupid human being. Because not be better picking. Better picking. When he use it, say woman get 5 children, he go run. He go run for a dear life. Or he decide to help you take care of the children. Not be no way just abandon you, don't abandon your children. You abandon. If we get one video, one audio where the boy do say, Vera, you know, when they use my children money for a year, go they take off the one with the Africa. Now your children money. That boy they collect Vera kindergarten. They collect her. They collect everything. That make the boy still they go see Vera. Where they put Vera single mother. Every day go call that video. My man, I know say who not get man, I say that they do. My man never, you know, go see Vera with the man take picture. Vera go put you and your man picture. Me, I get the video, I get the man face for my YouTube, you know, but I go private time. I'll go find the video, come and screenshot the picture, make I put for my Facebook. Mona see Vera. Mona see Vera, baby father. Vera, you dey mad. You don't know your mates. No, not listen. You get where I want me play. You see her? You see the way they curse him mama. Him mama don't die. Ogun gbiju eve ni ju eje ni ju awore gbe gbere ave no je na de ye. Ogun gbivi yen ya ni yen. What that me what that? Now they listen to these stupid idiots. Ogun gbiju e. Oh, Ijue, Vera, Vera, ogun gbiju e, ogun gbe mo yanu me, ogun gbu e, wa tu Vera. ogun bue iga kasikewe iga niewe iga mata no to na ga kanwe ogun nu ti eni ogelegbe me mata na ma kanwo wa jump na so ati ebonera vi ogun gbiju ogun bue vera wa ke frustration single mother wa hion me ye Deutschland because in winere obu enyana I know but then okay, they smoke it both together. Very young who were baby father who was sick, so two of them, I talk and say Vera, they smoke it, I know, because not be normal human being. Vera and the baby mama, you understand? Vera do video, he saw him mama, I live on first time. He saw him papa, I live on second time. He saw Vera Ogwon, me. I'm not gonna leave you. People they beg me say Vera not rich, mama, leave Vera. No, he not rich, leave her, not your minor. No, I go minor. I go minor.
My people, this one they have for person to understand. Say, I don't need it. I don't like her. I date with man, get man. I don't like it. I don't need it.
Vera, you there with man? Take picture with the man. Take her. Or do video with the man. My man. Do a mo see. Do a mo see Vera. I get man. I get man.
People view somebody's story. Sometimes some men do call my fans, some of my women fans, they come. But Esther on is every time, not all the time. If you check my story, now not be way wash out to say,
Vera na dog.
No, different people. But this particular one is coming all the time. Sometimes if I put picture on my story, it will be the first person to view it. What are you doing with it? What are you doing with my story? They send you. Okay, tell them.
Vera, my husband say make I tell you say if Priye na Libya na he follow come, he still there with you. Say that Priye na Igbo smoker, maybe na drug addict na Priye be. He say because anybody wey pass Libya route, you see the way Vera take also for Libya route. The way Vera take gather money, come pay the madam wey carry Vera reach Libya. He come pay you to cross. He come pay Priye 20 cents. Now they take they gather the money. He say Vera. He say Vera, you just go Ashawo as for year or Nigeria go marry better pass Vera. Vera na dog. All those yani wa gbe Ashawo with connection as. We waje ni yawo. Waje ni yawo. Ariani Bashawo without condom. I like put for your Vera. You want when they talk to me, me will be DHL. I be DHL from Nigeria to you. That time when they take bring me come, that old days, that time, how many years ago? If they bring you come for Nigeria, na DHL, now they call us. You they crazy because of Facebook, because of live video. You can't they cost yourself, can't they lie for your head? May God punish you, idiot. Now they say leave her. No, leave her. You know, can't they cost me? Make her leave her. Just say me and you not this, eh? You dirty pussy, you dirty this thing. Stinking.
Ask your mind if I lie against her. Is that too hard for you to understand? Not be juju that they carry for social media up and down. If I lie against her, I go bring juju paper code, they make her give my large old. Esther, if your man say I lie against her, make it come as I go to them.
Wetin they use Libya toto they do? Aya ukpe kus. Libya toto eni ọkọ ẹ mi yarugwe ọkọ ẹ ejeme ọkọ ẹ mi yarugwe Vera ogi mebo gugwe ọpa ogo we no meti abi na ala dia gugwe we Vera baby father mo na go invite am come for me. You go come they insult people wey better pass you every day. You can't just get it Vera make you enter house.
That's the reason why I don't like against
A frustration igbonu we sinya wete priye. E priye wa we gba sigbo. Ilaje ni o kan gbo egbe priye gbele we ya yo wa ogun ga gbo e. E boya nu ti egbe we gi o wa wo. Eme na ga kanwe. Eme na mana kanwe. Eme na mana kanwe. Eme na kanwe. eboya nutie ni oga agome ebe na mana kan we vera eboya nutie keni metie unwima ya hi atogbe boni ya ga wo ebe mo aya ewe e Morocco nu we sini that Morocco where you dey smoke you must enter your brain you must mad for this country ebe me aya ewe you ga go we go dey okay for you if me I give me your number make I call to tell you everything about Vera. Okay, make I put my number there. Make I put my number. If this matter concern you, go better for you. If you not concern you, hello. That's the real life video. Hello, my love. Yes. I do. Okay, you don't start work. I dey hear noise. I dey talk to Vera. But away. Me, I put her for speaker, but away. He go dey pull her for my husband head. Sir?
Go ask anybody. I think so for this notion, I never toast any woman before. Anyone who say I toast her, me come out or say, but even though someone go to someone, I feel like that. You don't see the laugh in your face. No, don't disqualify you. I mean, when you know Zoom, that's why I do for me that you know now. So you can take the laugh. You know Zoom is
20 dinars. My husband na Libya I pass, so you know na Libya boga.
Because you know, so if she's there, you talk, I don't look up. Me, I don't go feel person like that. Me, I don't go feel. If you go greet me, person like that, I will speak for your face. You know, Grace. She not get that. You look me like that. You go pick on the toes. Look, you don't look on those.
Daddy, you dey work o ni aya ku we win allow. Okay, earphone lo. You put earphone for here. Okay, no. That one not go fit put money for Vera head now. When I have your missing, where you river.
Soldier, you get the time where the team go where they be the one make love the office. So we look at this is donkey. You know donkey now they take the carry load or the then they use their thing to bragger. Any girl when they come see, say when they bring they come, when for inside that a desert, you know the way they say from the weather. You know if you go market now, you listen to me, you know if you go market now, you want that goods. You know say you take and say that this one you need. They will draw and come out. Even though you go from one they will draw and that condom. Any if I like, they can swear. If they're not fuck up for desert, they will soldier. We no get when they don't be fuck. No get when all the other soldier don't be love. Ordinary body, no condom.
Ordinary body, na Vera take do a shower for Libya. Vera go bring ojuju paper come. Too small. You understand? You know, I didn't really live about. You know what problem? You want to go too much. She come to every people for all I say the things. You know what she says? This matter not even concern Vera. This matter not concern Vera.
If you ask of me, they will tell you. You understand? I don't be any other voice. You know the two she don't give back. Everywhere where we are don't stay for big things. You know the city there. I don't be woman after anywhere woman I don't for 15. You know the city there. I don't get that for woman. A woman, you tell a woman my problem. Before I marry this my wife, so before I marry with my wife, now every year it is a place I don't want to affect family.
He dey beg me. He say, "One give me 10,000 euro, make I leave my husband for." Now I say, "Lie, you I mean my husband love." Me I not dey lie o. If the girl dey watch me, they go no say na true. Now we dey talk. Dey craze. Are you a learner? Now so you just dey lie o. You go your forge. Vera Oguna go kill you. I beg that the Vera too small. I beg. See my way they talk. Oh, Vera, you dey craze. Go bring priye. Go bring priye. Vera, you dey craze. See my way they talk. Vera, you dey craze. Vera, go bring priye picture. On the river, not talk to them. May I continue? Can my husband say, you carry your husband come out. Carry and come out. Carol white boy, they don't put her for one chance. Don't worry, later now, let you walk. You don't do later now. €30 dinas toto. Talk am, €30. Okay, love, bye-bye. You hear, he said na 30 dinars. Na ya fucking Vera, no ya gather ego. 30 dinars for Libya. Somebody say make I drop my number. Me I drop my number. You want call? Call him. Benjamin, hey. Benjamin. Now Benjamin that they call him. Benjamin, mo go kill you for Merod, Benjamin. Ogun boy Benjamin. Ogun boy. Benjamin, Ogun boy Benjamin. Ogun ya gbe Benjamin. Benjamin o ya tu Ogun boy Benjamin. United ye oko dane no bienu eni United ye la wa hello. Ogun boy Benjamin. Where ti go da no bienu eni. I know say you not there for Vera life again. Me, I know that one. That one 100%. You not there for your life again. You Vera fair come out. He attacked my daughter. I want Vera. No, my husband. Vera. We are going with Benjamin. Going with Benjamin. Benjamin no way de day. Vera when they day. Oda for me we biyen ya amwela we de gbe biyen la dia. Because when you viansa, abi viansa ne no ruwegbo, when you are only at la say. A when you abi viansa no ruwegbo. A when abi viansa to la say you egbe Libya.
On my platform. If I lie against your matter of someone in anywhere. If I lie, not since last year.
Everybody know you Vera say you are the worstest liar. For social media, nobody lie reach you. Nobody. Since when would they social media, Vera never ever show his children where they European picture because you know they feel backlot for their waist. Because now mother way they dress the children, you know go force that kind of mother make you take picture. You don't take pictures now because if you dress your children, say it's fine before you post and you not go know because you they take care of the children. Go see my YouTube, you'll see my children picture there because they dress fine. You understand? Vera one can't tell me where they bring out my children. Say me not they take out my children. Me not they do this one. And if they take off your children, you go bring to attachment. We go back for Africa shop. Meanwhile, me get carton for us here. You too small.
Your man be following me up and down. summon me. Then after he threw finish, I go carry your husband go in Nigeria and use your husband to first scapegoat. The Nigerian pay you are all good. The Nigerian brother for your good again, man.
Ogun ogbe Benjamin o, ogun ogbe Benjamin. Ogun yan gbe Benjamin. Ogun ogbe Benjamin. Ogun yan gbe Benjamin. Ogun ogbe Benjamin Adesupo. E Benjamin no we dede. Ogun ogbe Benjamin. Hello? Hello. We to ma gun gbugbu ya. Uwe gbe o. Obo kere we ta we wa mo phone yes Peter me ogun gbiju e. Ogun ogbo e yan gie were. Wa atugun. He blockage just na your phone mere. That they send now. That they send this useless person. He just call me why I think my phone in now your speaker. Ni gu. If you know say they not send you from very all these evil people not send you go call me back, then I go apologize to you. If not be these evil people send you go call me back, I go apologize to you. But if not these evil people send me, make a computer for speaker, may you can't curse me, I not go apologize to you. So call me back. This person will call now. You call me back, I go put her for speaker. I will not put her for speaker. He also no even greet me. He no even greet me. He just say my phone is speaker. Nigu egwan. So me, I don't get sense well.
Yeah, bring the evidence there. I show it here. Esther is now running up and down, crying up and down. I don't lie against people. I don't lie because of
Vera, now Ogun go kill you. Because now lie now you Ogun go kill you and Benjamin. Ogun now go kill you and Benjamin. Ogun must to kill you and Benjamin. So and that brother will call just now. If you know say you call for good, call back, make I for apologize to you. But if you not call for good, say now why I curse you now you call, no need for you to call back.
you or anything. No. Because I know say if you lie against me, when I know say for my heart now I go draw you go in Laje, I know they hide them. If you want to Laje, you want to talk with my talk with you away. Only my car now that 7 days, a stroke or it.
Nuweke mwebo. Nuweke wega bugwe wowa e mama ti gba oge.
But who lie against me? Now Laje me and they go. We will get there. Nothing they stop us for.
Oh, Esther, not the quick they insult. Maybe na your fans. I know. If na my fans, you go call back. I go apologize to her. I go return my calls. Unless it not be my fans. If na my fans, I am sorry. You can call back. But if you are not my fans, you not go call back now. Because you get one useless boy where they fuck Vera and Monica. Where they always they call my phone with unknown number. So I know they carry this number again. But this person where it call, so maybe na better person because the number where take call me now, the number show. I'll call her later after the live video to talk to the boy, say, I see your number, now I call you back. Now Esther talk show, no verse. I bet you say you be one of those haters. You know, you say remove the phone for speaker. You know if you greet me first. So person will be real your own. You go greet you, say, Esther, good afternoon. Or how you there, how body, you know, before you go start on the talk. You say remove the phone for put the phone for speaker or remove the phone for speaker. Now you talk. So if you they watch me, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. If you not be bad person, I'm sorry, yeah? Sorry.
We go just dead. I go summon you dead, then you go talk what you know. If you lie, die more pop boy. 7 days, now 7 days. You know they pass, not be the one that they swear for me.
Vera, you go no aya mwe boni gbu e no gun gbu ya Adesupo ya ariye va anywhere with Nigeria. Send that money to your children. Make the user. Will you don't born 5 boys food for Nigeria now? Be tomorrow now you not give them food, you not trade the ya gbeli ya your wa kidnapper. They'll go kill your children for kidnapper, they'll go the thief. I call you after the show. Okay, call me after the show, Berry. Thank you. You are the one that call me yours now. I'm sorry. If you are the one, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Because you get that boy, go just call me, go just they insult me. Now Vera and Monica now they send now. So now no number, not they pick now. My husband try to get the man number. My husband come they call the man back. I not fit get the man. So I'm sorry if you are the one that called yours. Now that's why I reacted that way.
Now 7 days, I want my bug.
Ebony Gbuwene Vera, Ebony or Gbuwene.
You see me now. Now make a Tibufi run away from me. When a Tibufi wanted to lie, but when you said Tibufi, they do first scapegoat. Because you cannot come and meet to lie on me. People.
Eddie Murphy don't know whether person like you they exist. This way you they insult Eddie Murphy. Eddie Murphy my they bomb where they go ragbo. Now they go woo. They go ragbo. Eddie Murphy don't know whether person like you they even they exist. That is the funny part. Eddie Murphy don't know whether person like you they exist. Even me too, I be don't know whether person like you they exist. When I start to talk to you now, when you can't carry my daughter, can't they take do caricature? Now make me even answer you. You can't carry my own daughter. You say me not they take off my daughter. Me be this one, me be that one. You can't they lie. Just the same way you just carry my own husband, still come out now again. Vera, when we are just when me na no la we be na. Hey, sick, go Vera. Now Morocco, now they make you they behave that you don't get problem with person. You just come out, you begin to insult the person. Now Juju be that. Precious love. Now Juju be that. That one get sense. Vera, stop it, bro. Vera, more.
Vera don't lie. I know the talk. Which I never do. I don't think I get them. Which I never do. I don't think I do. I don't lie. So when you say me, you want to lie on me, get ready and wait for my Ilaje paper.
Now Google kill you at the Ilaje because go Ilaje, go in Ilaje area. Go in Ilaje area. Now you they can't cause your mama, your papa, your family, your Benjamin, your generation. I don't know. You don't wake up one day begin to do live video for your head. Not be me. You begin to curse yourself. I not get problem with you. Are you normal? No, Mona help me ask this Vera whether it dey normal. Person where you not get problem with me and I never quarrel. Me and I not get anything. Just come out. Just begin to curse yourself. Now don't see this kind of thing before. Now this person see they come out now they talk say I want to go carry Ilaje. I want to go do this one. Vera, you dey normal. And they work quick by even me.
I need to wait for my Ilaje paper should run. If my jeva almost to your fair book. Woman for my book, but other 7 days who worry. If na sickness, even I'm more boy, you will take ground for them. Don't be safe for months. It will cost me nothing. It cost me nothing. So if now your man Esther me go take 2 scale.
Vera Ogwonra gbe Benjamin. 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 Whatever in the Ebony Ilaje area Vera. Vera, whatever in the Ilaje area. Mama we there. Urege la jona amwe bogbe buwe. Abi ma ya nu we eti ebo na be live video ori se meme yu we gbe nenye ya mu meme ko we. Nu agbe kan pe anu agbe kan ku. I don't know. I don't get problem for it. I don't get. You understand? I want block this idiot. Your new console. Yeah, your blocker. I don't block her come off for it. The idiot your new console. I don't block her come off. You understand, so my people? Vera.
Tell her make you go carry me go anywhere. Tell your man to take me to anywhere. Like really? That is why
I never reach when I want to find work. If time of work reach, I go. You see me say I dey work. Each time of work, or you will see me say I dey work.
Why are you crying? Why the thing I call they pay you a share one on mama?
Una see me say I even answer that. This girl na mumu.
You be better person. As you carry you call Jim finish, you call reckon. You and your mama reckon.
Vera, you see your life. Now, matter God say you talk for your life video say. Now, man, I carry me come for Nigeria, be. But you use your peku stay do a shower for Libya. Ogun gbugbe ne frustration la we gbe no gun ogbu e. Ogun ogbu e Vera. Ogun ga gbo e Vera. Ogun ga gbo e. Ogun ga gbo e Vera. Una dey see aso. Ogun ga gbo e Vera. Una dey see aso my people. Vera back to sender. If we are gulo your wow. Vera, if we are gulo your wow, go back boy Vera. O go back boy frustration ga la we gbe. Emenaga kan we Vera. Boy anu ti obun ya de. Emenamana kan we if we ya gulo your wow. O go back boy Vera wa tugu. E frustration no la we gbe no wa de gbe frustrate. Wa de yeti. Wa raketi pa wa de yeti. E Vera.
No. What's that? Cocoero. Emon, we be let's start. What's that? Cocoero. No, na lagote. You can't even bath your pikin. You can't even bath that girl.
Una they listen to her.
Running up and down on social media, fooling yourself. Emon,
Now they listen. Since when she did social media, she not get one content. She not get what she they do. People they don't tire for herself. Which kind human being? Which kind animal be this goat? Which kind goat be this? Which kind she goat be this? The people don't tire. Benjamin, oh, Google kill you for Mero. Benjamin, Google kill you. Benjamin, where they carry old woman, woman, where don't born 5 children. Benjamin, you. Mona show me Benjamin. I want to know Benjamin. They say na Benjamin and Vera they smoke igbo for live video together. Benjamin and Vera like they smoke igbo. I talk and say normal human being, not they behave the way they behave. Me, I don't tire. Very mana give a beer, or sawe say oh ibio no woman, ibio na o Vera. But to where a frustration here allow be. A frustration here allow be Vera. Unwere ya no zekpe po the live video rude viewer ni eneri €1 no 50 cents ni ari no. Unwima here zo unwima here talk boy. Maya no mo nya unhima here talk boy so. I return all the sweat back to you. I return everything back to you. Frustration. Benjamin or your bobo giveaway me. Benjamin or your bobo ya giveaway me. No car boy ni. Or your bobo ya bury away. You can geno Vera gonga boy. Ogonga boy baby ya no gonga boy Vera. Boy ya no see back to you. Back to sender. If this matter concern you, honor can well, it go better for you. If not, if it not concern you, I never cause you one day, I not get problem with you. This is your beginning of frustration. You go frustrate for this journey. No jewebo no no mamia bebo yak bebo. Ni ya yakusana revi yoge ari Nigeria. Ni ya mwekun e coffee yoge gira vijewo o akhia ba so akhia ba fa Vera. Ebo ya nu enye ya fiye kegbu. Ebo ya nu enye ya khia gbu. Ina ka gu egwe na ka tie bonu. Ebo na esekenuje. Ewe esekenuje wa so esekenuje wa va. But imana ka gu egun ime problem with we. Uwa gege yoruna so amwe bogbegbo ebo ya nu ti egi ogwa we meme akusana ya remi wege era visual bwa ogun ga gbo wa won mo wa kin we miame uga ri ume ya ri wa ga kun we miame uga ri magi o ki we miame anything na ya leve ai no na ya leve ai ne e Benjamin ye ni wiwe eya aku lojo wa o e ma musegu e wo nu musegu o se ni ya buwe de unyo bokpada we ni ke ya buwe de Vera ebo ya nu ti egi ogwa woje igi ogwa woje wa sonje ba fa wa jun we ya hie ulo ye jugwe eri okin ajenu ba se eri okin ajenu ba fa imamu segu Vera imusegu a ewo mamusegwe imate bono imasikewe omakame kanwe ehun evanio salobo aya e mama ya nu mama ya go back to where so or go back asove na rat 12 ya be mudaka wa mi ya nikedi mwebogbo eni aya mweboni gwe iga ame problem with Vera oh manuel wason imana have problem with Vera imame me new way go me iri enu e super chat we if follow us ya subscribe nu imara we ma do we Vera Vera wa sun gu be de ne borogwa wa sun ya niketi mwebogbo ogun agbo Vera ebo ya nu ti ere me no ma kan we winere Ogonga agbo. Una dey listen to wetin they talk.
Fine boy don't spoil your life. Fine boy.
Ogonga agbo. Ogonga agbo vera. Ogonga agbo. Wa ajun we bie kwe mi ula we kuta. Wa oh. Na Caro White boy na sender. Na Caro White boy. When ogun agberi ogun awegbe Caro White boy. Matter will not be your own. You not go better for you Vera. Emmanuel son. Emmanuel Ava. Because I don't get problem with you. Me and you not quarrel. You come and they insult yourself. Why be me bombs will not they real life in that? I never see this kind of thing before. You just come outside. Matter will not be you. Hello. 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 Good afternoon.
Hello. Good afternoon, ma.
I am. I did fine now.
I watch your program every time.
Hey, yeah.
That White boy, where they always disturb you every time.
Now, man, now, I want useless boy. Oh, wait, come here, come they do share true.
You're too much now.
You see.
They give you rest there. They always give you headache every time.
I just tire. Oh. Your network not clear.
Alright, take care. How is the family?
We bless God. That your own. Thank you so much, my sister. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank God. We give glory to God.
Yes.
I like you. I like all the way you do your program. You not be fake. You not be all those baby when they don't accept to baby for line. I just like you. You are natural.
Thank
like
you
your
so
program.
much.
Just keep it up.
Thank you
Alright?
so much.
Take care of yourself.
You too.
I greet your husband and your kids.
Thank you, my
Bye.
God bless
Okay.
you. Yeah,
Bye.
thank you. Bye. This auntie will call me so now from Nigeria. One of my fans from Nigeria. Thank you. I appreciate you so much. Thank you. You understand? So, Vera, all this course where you lay here, everything where you do here back to sender. Because I not do you anything.
Don't spoil your life.
Ima we mi rock pa Vera. Iwi ne rock bugwia.
More time. Esther, when I direct your money, maybe stress me as we are kokomo. Who should win money?
Agi gwa we no bie. Nu na gu yi win mo. Work pa me orphanage. Work pa we do atie bonima. You just come and they insult person wey not insult you. No, I don't see this kind of thing before. Person wey you not get problem with you just come and just start to dey curse the person. No, I don't see that kind of thing before, my people. Eh?
Try and born now. You not fit. Who will be me more beer by money? Who are bell? Who will not talk boy? Shameless and share what do.
No need to play and make a river. Vera, now frustration they worry you. You go begin they frustrate. So my people, we don't come on for Vera side. Now, Caro White boy. As a man, I beg. This message is going to Caro White baby mama. That woman not be good woman. You know why? Your husband go they bring problem. You know if you talk to your husband, which means you are not a good wife. You are not a good wife. You're supposed to talk to your husband, make he stay out of trouble, make he leave trouble, make he leave wahala. But no, you know they lie tell your husband. You go they say you go they push and the more. You are a bad wife. Man, any woman where they push you now for trouble, that is not your real wife. Because your real wife not go put you for trouble. He go tell you to avoid trouble. He go tell you say make you not dey tell bad word to women. He go tell you make you not dey tell bad word to your friends. You go say e get some kind things wey you fit talk now. And why you tell your friend say you get HIV? Why you tell your friend say you fuck a wife? Why you tell your friend? He must dey caution you. That is a good woman, because all those words wey dey come out for your husband mouth, you dey see am say na good thing na dey do. Meanwhile, they bring problem for una. Everyday police paper, police station. All those things is not good. Even if you are pretending to come attend to the live video, say live video, everything dey okay, they don't feel, but you don't have peace inside your mind. Even you, the woman, either they call na mona come here, you also will not have peace. Instead of you to leave your husband to be insulting people, to be cursing people, to be lying on media, tell that your husband to go and use that time to go and look for 8 hours, 6 hours. That is why they see some people now, they're going to write for you say, Esther, go and work. Even if I not work, my husband go fit take care of me. Because if they work 8 hours. 8 hours is full-time job. Not be 2 hours if they work. Not be 2 hours. You go fit take off me. As more time, then you go still give me something. So wetin I want kill myself for? Wetin I need to do? Make I dey cook, dey clean the house, dey shine for am. Make it dey see me say I dey shine. Na that one now I need to do. And if the time still dey for me, time never dey for me to go do the working things. If I just start the work, I dey do my live video, dey go work, I go still enter. I don first work before for this country. I don first still do 8 hours. Where the time dey, where the opportunity still dey. So any woman wey be say e no dey fit talk to your husband, you say you love that man, na lie you talk. You no love that one. You no love that man, because if you love that man, you know they tell her the truth. You be bad wife. If you love that man, you know they tell her the truth, you be bad wife. Because if you love the man, you're supposed to tell the man the truth. Say, my husband, stay out of trouble, go look for work, go do this one, so that he go use the time well. You know, see, when my husband call just now, I care about time, I care about his work. I say, I beg, may they not go because of your phone call, because I know say na during working hour, now you take call me. Now I say, I beg, call the phone. That is how a wife supposed to be doing to his husband. Any man wey not get that kind of wife, you go get problem. Wait till go give your husband problem, you dey push am. Which mean you want make the woman quit die, make you for marry another man, or you want make the man quit enter prison, make you for carry a friend go dey do vaga. As a good woman, anything wey go make your husband stay out of trouble, now you go dey tell her, now you go dey support her to dey do, so that money you for enjoy your husband, make your husband for still enjoy you. But don't be say you go dey push her, dey push her. Fellow women, please tell your husband to stay out of trouble. Anything where you see say where danger for they come, you go tell your husband make he not do and make he stay away. Because that is the only way you can enjoy your marriage. You can live long in marriage and enjoy your life with your husband. All the time problem. Your husband is bringing problem. Like Vera own now. Now Vera now they carry wahala. Go they give you children, 8 children, be 9 children. Eh? So e no good though. Me, I know they find trouble. Now if they don't still find me, I'll constantly talk my own, yes, small. Now so me be. Me go away. Ye go away, man. No go we me o go ta. God go, thank you so much. Me go away, man. Person way say me do find out trouble, make the person come out. Now I be saying I lie for my head, because I know sabi find trouble. He go away me. So my people, that is it. Oliver, no, Naomi say you are right. Thank you so much. So as a man, look before you reap. Before you marry, what of the way that they listen to you? You understand? You understand? What of if they they listen to you. And if the man not they listen to you, my sister, you marry the man will not be your husband. Because before you say you want marry any man, the man supposed to they listen to you. You yourself, you they listen to the man. If any matter they grant, una go talk and together. Now talk and settle them out. Talk with mouth. Mona they talk. You take her like your friend. Your husband will take you like a friend. Waiting you not like what they do, you go tell her. Waiting you not like. Waiting your husband not still like what you they do. Your husband will still tell you. So that una go tell each other waiting una not like. If you be the now you will be the woman, now you be the troublemaker, now you they carry wahala they come all the time. Your husband get the right to tell you, say, I beg, stop this your trouble. It's not good. It go give us problem in future. You need to listen to your husband. If now also now you, the man, I be the problem like Carol White now. Now Carol White now be the problem of Pukbu Yeke. You understand? And if the wahala come Pukbu Yeke, he go join her. He not going. If he dey support her, he not go start to dey make problem. He go dey continue to distress you. One day you go enter one chance where be say you not go fit come out. So we may have been married to the man where go dey listen to you. The man where you go fit still dey listen to, now you supposed to marry. Because if you not do it like that, at the end of the day, mama, some men value friends. That one not love you. Now one come value friends pass me. So waiting me they talk, you know they listen to me. No, you supposed to marry to the man where they listen to you. The man where you yourself will still they listen to, now you supposed to marry to. You understand? The man where they listen to you, the man where you still they listen to. If you want to do something now, the man thought say not do it, you go respect her. You if na good thing, you go respect her. You not go do it. The same thing as so it's supposed to still be for the man. Not be say you your married man where you know if you talk to everyday problem, everyday wahala, everyday wahala, everyday wahala. It's very bad. It's very bad. You understand? Who be this person where they put this red head? Make I block this person come off for you. I know they like all this kind of red head comments. Who be this person where they put red head? I don't like her.
Everyday problem, everyday wahala, everyday wahala, everyday
I want
wahala.
to block somebody. You understand? I go advise you. Make you not dey follow. No, if na relationship, una dey, I go beg. Mona pull love and like for the video, my people. Pull love and like if you are here for me. If na relationship, I go advise you. Not follow the man wey not dey listen to you. I go advise you, not follow the man. May I go open door. Man wey not dey listen to you. If you talk to her, you not dey hear. No, why you? God forbid. I have no. O man say no fit go. Welcome. Did you go and buy the biscuit? Yes, you said you did. Why? Go and buy chicken. They pack everything.
No, me, I got it.
Okay, you got it.
But you see that you not accept money from me, so they from me they will accept money.
Why?
I don't know why. See, I change your receipt, so you don't think I take anything from you.
These people are doing like that.
But my mommy, they said that
I will go tomorrow. Don't worry, I'm on live video. I'll go tomorrow. Kelsey, please go and wash that frittose.
Why now?
You have to wash it before you can fry the pumpkins now. You have to wash it. You have to wash it before you can. You see all this thing I watched, that the one you leave there yesterday, you see everything. So, my people, bring them to the fridge. How many did you buy? About two.
two chicken wings.
Two chicken wings, two pumpkins. You guys are going to enjoy today. You will do a YouTube channel, more bank. Why door? It's long time you do more bank. Ruth Valentine, thank you so much. So my people, I will advise you. Yes, now. If woman not they listening to you, if woman not they listening to you, you not they listening to your husband. Na wrong marriage with that one. No. Hello. Good afternoon, my sister. You want to contribute?
I want to contribute, I bet.
Okay.
This people you can Carol White on. Put that for speaker.
It is speaker.
This greet the house, so I greet everybody where they use platform. This people and the husband matter. If you remember last 2 years or so, when Monica Ayoyowa with people husband come the quarrel, where he control man, that time when he give this name Pupuyeke, not saying I give this name Pupuyeke.
Yes, I give her Pupuyeke.
Yes, and that's why I the name Pupuyeke. Now Pupuyeke husband come say make him reply am. He can't carry a wife sit down for chair. He can't say make wife the reply am. See wife come the reply am. And from there, Mama boy come to make video, come tell this Carol White say, this thing one are the dues, where you don't bring your wife come so. If your wife come carry chairman for chair tomorrow, no cry you. This Carol White come reply and say, wife no go lala carry chairman for chair. You talk one I want correct you for that word. You wait to my own opinion be that, but me, my own opinion, the way I dey watch this boy, please, this boy na pikin wey no fit walk. Now lazy man wey dey beg. Now beggar in be.
Now beggar because you too they like give me. Call for me.
You wait, let me talk. You wait. You can talk, sis. Let me give you my opinion.
Okay,
you know, say everybody gets the way in the beg. Some people go there for road now, sit down for ground, they say, Bambi Allah, give me money. Some people just they say, Chairman, hello, give me money. They just their own way be that. This boy old. Now that kind of way. Say, he go just dey hail you. Hey, who get when you know say this person get money, he go dey hail am. May he forgive him. And beg a natural life beggar, man, this boy be. And people like don't discover and say, Iman na Ayobo na Betua, he don't fit do nothing apart from rough tree. May they get fresh mark. You don't discover am. You know, say get some kind of women, like my type of woman, if I talk, where the man not they hear, I'll come they try to avoid problem. And the type of woman be that. So he don't discover, say, he don't useless, finish. Now, you do away that boy get for life. Now to grow baby and to rub cream. You hear me so? So the woman don't discover and say, oh, we not go fit. And she not go fit use all in life. You know, say, this a shower not be saying a natural thing, no. It can't be say they do a shower, she will come discover and say, I don't want to do again. And this woman now don't take your decision, say, I don't want to do a shower again. And you say now, natural beggar, we not fit do nothing, apart from cream where they wrong. So, he don't talk to yourself, go do something for yourself, go do something for yourself. You know the year. So you go to live for the life video. Video say na there for the beg. Imagine man wey get penis. He first daughter wey in dey celebrate his birthday na different man na come cook rice. When they chop for the birthday, first birthday.
You see?
We made the proud of to celebrate for the pikin. You know fit buy rice. Na different woman come cook rice. You with a fair quarrel. Madam woman, they tell una say if you there's a person, if you use the totote wash cook food, come give una. You don't care. You not just celebrate. If you even look and say, I ain't settle with that woman. You don't say we don't affect the quarrel before no one.
Where now they quarrel. Now this kind greedy boy that they poison the kitchen away because very lazy human being.
The boss. You know natural beggar this man pay for life. As me and this year, So the wife not go fit stop her. So the wife don't leave her, and it must be for me. My witches and my mind now they speak out so. And for some they use that boy they show example. They did not study presenter where they talk to people anyhow. For get sense. You don't understand me so?
Yes.
And for what? Me and for what? Say that very boys, you know they show example. When as if they destroy everybody so they'll give a problem to go back.
No, he go get. No, this one, he must get. Mona they wash.
Yes.
He just they call the match for live video. May we for talk wetin we want do what. We know they talk.
Yes, I know they talk about your mind. I they talk about my mind. I see.
Okay.
So for the viewers when they watch, when they don't feel like I see simply they use this boy to show example to the rest upcoming presenter when they go see the people like this when they don't feel work. So when they can come outside, when they go and talk to person, they go remember say something will happen to somebody like this, so that they might have that they talk.
Yes.
This boy not get what he about to her, the boy not get what he do this before this boy mind.
Now because of money we fear up and one give her.
Talk, not you they talk her now, that be they talk her.
Okay, talk.
And because of say he discover say na food they give her. You dey hear me?
Yes.
If he go meet the will give her food, the will give her small money. He go discover say people say when they give her pass the kind money where they give her, then he cost the bar.
Yes.
Don't go that side. You dey hear me? So only that one say, but I got you. We dey call am I got you for Isha. Okay, no, only that one. For that way you don't see the way you don't see that. God must surely fight me for that one. But me, I prefer when they use that boy show example.
Abi.
You dey hear me? Although the way they for the bazaar, they blow fire put to people, that's what they eat for now. The way they blow fire put for one like this, not for the background. Not be say the way they enjoy the thing though. But the wife not get choice for now.
No
You
good.
understand me?
Yes.
But this boy, you know what, you know go fit. You know, whether if you give her, say may go sit down for office, may just they go down, they go pay. You know go still fit.
You know
fit.
fit.
Come back all to, not to grab beer, not to rub cream.
Yes.
Then we are disturber. So I want, my mama that they tell you, so I don't know about you. I want that there is a show example. But I can really go there for Nigeria. You go realize itself. When you go look social media from Nigeria, you go there miss the praise who they get, the free internet and everything when they enjoy for you, go realize it. That's what me I want. And then they pray over it, say, God, let them so for the person where go take tea with her. May go back house.
No, everybody. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. My sister, you are very right. Because now lazy person carry white boy winner. Now just all those kind of boy where they get sweet man. You go just the hey you, hey, this my sister I too correct. Sister make I get now. Give me small thing. I know. If now lay down what they do, now they respect people. Me I be not get problem. But you know the only they do that one, if they insult single mother, if they insult people wife, if they insult both man, both woman, if they use the friends around her, he go use them, he go dump them, he go they call them say they get HIV, they now so their wife now this. Who does that? Normally, as you don't still get power to take the work, you get power to take the praise people. You supposed to still use the power. Also, are you doing what I tell you to do?
This is mashing your ring.
Don't worry, come and sit down. Bring it for me. Remove it from the floor. Stop that. You know I'm on live video.
Yes, ma'am.
Kissy.
I know. Why are you doing that?
You call her from my hand.
No, you're lying.
It's okay. I'm on live video. Sit down. Go and do what I asked you to do. If anything fall on the floor, clean it. So you see that, my love, okay? So my darling people, now be the thing. Make this video not go too long. I go end this video. Mona share this video. Mona share. My lovely people where they support me. My suburban mamas. Mona share. Vera and Enoge will be
Mommy,
deported
what you
soon.
want to do.
From yes now because they are so wicked.
This is not doing it.
He will do it. You see that you're living, he will do it.
Conflict.
Go and eat cornflakes and don't talk to your senior brother. Let her eat cornflakes now before you finish. And he say don't talk to you. So my darling people, not only you want not get power, not only you want see what he right come out yesterday night now. He dey curse himself, he dey curse people, he dey talk anyhow, in a this, in a that one. Even if your papa na Angela Merkel brother, even if your mama na Angela Merkel sister, even if you get all the level wey dey Deutschland, you don't have the right to call a whole full family, both the children say they get HIV. Say na HIV, now they take give the documents. You don't have the right. They are going to take the law. You are going to face the law of the country. They are going to work. They are going to investigate you. They are going to do the test. They are going. If they see say they're not a true girl, you give them that stain, you are going to pay for it. He like make you get passport, oh, you not get passport, oh, you get document, oh, you not get document, oh. Anyone, you don't have the right to tag people say they get HIV. You not get the right. You don't have the right. You don't have the right. That's all they call say trouble they sleep, you can't go they wake up. At the end of the day, you can't they talk another thing will not even make sense, will not even reasonable. They talk, go here, talk, go there. Who does that, my brother? I bet my people make a serious small. I'll still come back. They do not do well. Love you guys. Thank you for supporting me. God bless you all. So now my real face be this. Vera, carry your real face comment. Now they put all those lights where you they put for your video. Go put like darkness woman, evil woman. And bye bye. I love you.